Hello everyone. Welcome back to RB Medical Coding class, your one-stop channel for all things medical coding. If you are fresher without certification and preparing for your first interview, this video is just for you. Today, I'll be sharing some of the most common and important medical coding interview questions and answers specifically for non-certified beginners. These questions will help you build confidence and get one step closer to your first job in the medical coding field. Let's get started. Question 1. What is medical coding? Answer. Medical coding is the process of translating healthcare diagnoses, procedures, medical services, and equipment into universal alphanumeric codes. These codes are taken from medical records and used for billing and insurance purposes. Question 2. Why do you want to work in medical coding? Answer. I am interested in medical coding because it's a critical part of the healthcare system. I enjoy working with data and paying attention to detail, and this field allows me to contribute to patient care behind the scenes while also offering career growth. Question 3. What are ICD, CPT, and HCPCS codes? Answer. ICD, International Classification of Diseases, used to code diagnoses and diseases. CPT, current procedural terminology, used to code medical, surgical, and diagnostic services. HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, used for services, procedures, and equipment not covered by CPT. Question 4. Are you familiar with any coding software? Answer. As a fresher, I haven't used professional coding software yet, but I'm familiar with tools like Microsoft Excel and have basic knowledge of encoders like 3M and Optum. I'm a fast learner and eager to get hands-on experience with real systems. Question 5. What do you understand by HIPAA? Answer. HIPAA stands for the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. It ensures the privacy and security of patient health information. As a medical coder, it's important to follow HIPAA guidelines to protect patient confidentiality. Question 6. How do you handle errors or mistakes in coding? Answer. Accuracy is important in coding. If I notice an error, I would double-check the medical documentation and coding guidelines. If unsure, I would consult a senior or supervisor. It's better to clarify than submit incorrect information. Question 7. What skills do you bring to this role as a fresher? Answer. I have strong attention to detail, good analytical and organizational skills, and a willingness to learn. I've studied the basics of anatomy, physiology, and medical terminology, which are essential for accurate coding. Question 8. How do you stay updated with medical coding guidelines? Answer. I follow updates from official websites like CMS, Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and AAPC. I also plan to pursue certification in the future to strengthen my knowledge and stay current in the field. Question 9. Can you explain the difference between inpatient and outpatient coding? Answer. Inpatient coding uses ICD-10-CM and ICD-10-PCS codes and is used for patients admitted to a hospital for more than 24 hours. Outpatient coding uses ICD-10-CM, CPT, and HCPCS Level 2 and is for services like doctor visits, emergency room care, or same-day surgeries. Question 10. Are you planning to get certified? Answer. Yes, I plan to take the CPC, Certified Professional Coder, exam by AAPC or CCS by AHIMA soon. I believe certification will help enhance my knowledge and open more opportunities in this field. I hope these interview questions and answers were helpful for all the freshers out there preparing to step into the world of medical coding. Remember, even if you're not certified yet, your willingness to learn and your understanding of the basics can really make a difference in an interview. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RB Medical Coding class for more content like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or want mock interview videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and all the best for your interviews. See you in the next video.